How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import flashcards to your Anki from a CSV file. So just head over to the Anki application, which is going to look something like this after opening it up. And then you want to head over to the side categories, click on File. It will open up the pop-up menu on which you have to select the import button. Now inside this page, it's as simple as locating the CSV file. So in my case, it's going to be somewhere inside downloads, and then it's going to be this specific CSV file right here. All you have to do is to double click on it, and then it will instantly import it onto our Anki application. Unfortunately, this specific file doesn't have anything on it, so it will just show up something like this. And here you have additional options like the import option, some field mapping, and more. If you're ready, just click on the import button, and that's about it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.